Hello everyone, let us see how to write exercise. Question number 1. Give the antonyms and synonyms of the words below, choosing from those given in the boxes, respective boxes. See the first word, happily, which is the synonym given there, joyfully, and antonym, sorrowfully. Second word, traditional. What is the synonym for traditional? Old-fashioned. And antonym is modern. Then third word, halt. Halt means what? Synonym, pause. Then opposite word, antonym, start. Triumph. Triumph means what? Victory. Then opposite word is defeat. Then see the word exotic. Exotic synonym is foreign. Then opposite word is native. Then see the word rival. Synonym, competitor. Antonym, partner. Soar. Synonym, rise. Antonym, drop. Brilliance. Synonym, luster. And antonym, dullness. See second question. Say whether the following statements are true or false. A. Fiberglass kites led to creating power-driven aeroplane. False. In Gujarat, the kite festival is celebrated to welcome the spring. False. C. Uttarayan start from Makar Sankranti onwards. Correct. Kite flying in Gujarat is a competitive sport cum festival. True. The Kite Bazaar in Ahmedabad is open day and night for a week. True. The special thread for kite flying is sharpened by adding sugar and glass pieces. It is wrong. The answer is glue and glass pieces, ground glass pieces. See now question number 3. Using points from the lesson, give the details of the following in a short paragraph for each topic. First one is different types of kites. How to write answer for this question? Which are the different types of kites? Kite flying festival is celebrated in Gujarat, invites participation on a huge scale. A variety of kites are seen flying in the sky. We can see the traditional kites made from kite paper and wooden frames. And there are also some modern kites like motorized kites and fiberglass kites. The options available to the kite flyers are abundant. Nowadays, kites are also available in different shapes, in vibrant colors and innumerable sizes. You can see the kite made of eagle, snake, etc. They are available in different shapes, vibrant colors and innumerable sizes so that the buyer can have his right choice. See the second question. B. International Kite Festival at Ahmedabad. International Kite Festival in Ahmedabad is organized by Gujarat State Tourism Corporation. It takes place on the same day as Makar Sankranti and is held either at the Sardar Patel Stadium or the Police Stadium. Kite flyers from within the nation and international means different nations participate in this festival or competition and bring with them kites of all shapes and sizes. Kites in the shape of eagles, snakes and other animals can be seen flying into the skies during this festival. These kite flyers also compete with local champions and spectators get to see the little Indian paper kites compete with those from Japan, UK, USA and other countries. Now see the third question. C. The Kite Bazaar of Ahmedabad. The Kite Bazaar of Ahmedabad, what we call as Patang Bazaar, is one of the main highlights of the kite flying festival. This bazaar is open for 24 hours a day for entire week during Makar Sankranti. People who visit bazaar at night get to see the city's obsession with kites, means occupied. Total city is occupied with kites. The streets of bazaar are crowded with customers wanting to buy their stocks and bargaining with the vendors through the night. Then skilled craftsmen also demonstrate the traditional kites there.